You know, people are interested in breeds of dogs, breeds of cats, are interested in gender differences, and we embarked on the study of breed-specific behavior of 80 breeds of dogs. And my colleagues, Dr. Lynette Hart, happens to be my wife as well, participated in that study with me, and we had a technician, Dr. Kelly Cliff, was part of that project. We had a statistician who worked with us on that. And that'll be published, and it's a follow-up from an earlier work we have published in the book, The Perfect Puppy, How to Choose Your Dog by Its Behavior. So it's a follow-up of that study. And we thought that study was well received, so that's why we did the second one. And we did that last year. This year we just finished off the one on cats, and again, my colleague Dr. Lynette Hart was a participant in that study, as well as Shannon Reed and Gretel Torres. Those are our colleagues, as well as a statistician, that are involved in this data collection to differentiate among breeds of cats, and also on the gender study. You know, there's quite a bit of interest in dog breed behavior. We read about some breeds more aggressive, or some breeds more easily house trained than others, and we've gotten interested in whether there's differences in cat breeds. And in the process of doing both of these studies, we've also looked at gender effects. We've looked at neutered male and female dogs, or spayed females, neutered males. We've looked at the same with cats, and with dogs, we found some findings which were pretty much expected, because we had published some work before on this, which is male dogs. And according to our authorities, which were small animal veterinarians, male dogs come out much higher on the aggressive indices, such as territorial aggression, such as aggression towards family members, aggression towards other dogs, than females do. So basically the advice is, if you've got a breed of dog, you're worried about aggression, your best advice is to give that client is to, I think you ought to think about a female dog here. Okay, what about cats? Well, we were surprised when we did basically the same type study with cats. We looked at aggression, that overwhelmingly the authorities we interviewed, and we interviewed 80 feline practitioners in this study, they verified that female cats are more aggressive than male cats, and towards human family members, towards other cats, and they're less affectionate than the males are. And we can relate that to the wild ancestor of the cat, but that's a surprising finding, because we often look at parallels between dogs and cats. And in this case, it's kind of the opposite. Dogs, females are more affectionate, males are more aggressive. Cats, the males are more affectionate and the females more aggressive. Really a surprising finding for us, and we'll be publishing this work, but I want to pass along that tip for right now.